YouTube, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I have another lithium stock here. This one is actually backed by Bill Gates, and hopefully to disrupt the lithium mining. So we'll see what happens. This is Lake Resources. Ticker is LLKKF. This explores for and develops lithium projects in Argentina. Flagship projects include the Cashi lithium brine project covering an area of 54,000 located in Catamarca province, Argentina. The totaling an area of 19,000 hectares located in Jujuy province. It also holds interest in Chagai copper gold project located in Pakistan. The company was founded in 1997 and based in Sydney, Australia. And this is currently trading for a 26 cents. You can see what it's done here over the last month. It's up to 31, kind of been down and just been kind of trading kind of flat ever since. So this one is a clean lithium developer. Lake Resources has refreshed the company's flagship Cashi lithium brine project pre-feasibility study based on revised lithium price estimates, which has priced the project value to $1.6 billion. Lake is assessing a potential expansion to production of lithium carbonate equivalent from Cashi, the Cashi lithium brine project feasibility study. And feel free to pause and go over the rest of the information there for yourself, or else you can find this on investingnews.com. There's quite a bit of information in there. This is their actual website, Cleaner Lithium for the Electric World. As the EV revolution accelerates, Lake Resource is answering the call for high-purity lithium based on game-changing direct extraction technology. Our projects in the heart of Lithium Triangle offer responsibility source battery grade supply. And there's a couple videos here. And this is the tickers on the Australian, France, and over-the-counter LLKKF. And like I said, even Bill Gates has backed this one, so it makes it kind of interesting. Lake Resources half-year accounts. This is dated on March 16th. Is a clean lithium developer utilizing direct extraction technology for the development of sustainable high-purity lithium from flagship Cashi project, as well as 3 other lithium brine projects in Argentina. The projects are in prime location within the Lithium Triangle, where 40% of the world's lithium is produced at the lowest cost. So right there's your major catalyst with this one. And I suppose you could add Bill Gates to the catalyst as well. And it's also a penny stock, and this one does trade over the counter. So if you're looking to buy this one, I always recommend Fidelity. If you can't get it there, since they're a little bit more conservative, try TD Ameritrade. But back to the Lithium Triangle, 40% of the world's lithium is produced at the lowest cost. The method will enable Lake to be an efficient, responsibly sourced, environmentally friendly, and cost-competitive supplier of high-purity lithium, a product in demand for Tier 1 electric vehicle makers and battery makers. And that's what we're after here on the channel. And I've talked a lot about lithium, EVs, charging, anything in regards to EVs. This is actually dated on the 16th. Cashi PFS refreshed with $1.6 billion value. And some of the information here kind of repeats itself, but it's all still pretty good information. But feel free to pause and read the rest there for yourself. Again, you can find this on Yahoo Finance. Just another lithium play. There's quite a few lithium penny stocks out there. You just have to be a little bit more cautious with this one. I covered Piedmont over the weekend. It's either PLL, I think it's PLL. I'll try to link that in the description. You can get that one on Robinhood or Webull or Moomoo or Firstrade, or if you're looking to get outside of Robinhood, I have several links in the description. Feel free to help yourself, and you can get some free stock that way. But again, Lake Resources is a clean lithium developer utilizing clean, direct extraction technology for the development of sustainable high-purity lithium from its flagship Kashi project. So kind of some of the same information, and the electric vehicle makers and battery makers are going to be in demand. Back to Reddit. Some people talking about it here about a month ago, 26 days ago. Nothing really up to date. We'll check StockTwits, see if there's any juicy details we can find out here. Sell limits not going through. Don't know what platform they're using. Rinse and repeat. Go Texas. Don't California my Texas. I saw that earlier. I'm in at 300 shares now. My goal is to reach 1 million. So a lot of people do that with these penny stocks. They get hundreds, if not millions, of shares, and could be your retirement, could fund your retirement right there. You just got to hit the right one. So kind of some interesting information in here. A lot of people talking about it as of today. Can demonstrate that you can produce a high quality product and market that wants to scale and can do this in a sustainable, environmentally sensitive way. So again, it's a lithium play, and it's a penny stock. What more could you want? So I'm in them for the long run. I usually try to buy them on Fidelity. Like I said, if you can't get it there, try it through TD Ameritrade. But I usually try $10, $20 worth at a time and just kind of see what happens with that. But you can see what this one's done over the last month. You could have bought the dip here on the 4th for 24 cents. Currently trading for 26. But these are a long-term play for me when I get into them, and because they're eventually going to go up. Or maybe somebody else will acquire them, buy them out. You never know. So, but that's all that I have for Lake Resources. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. And I thank you for all the support on the channel. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.